How to transfer money from La Banque Postale. La Banque Postale is a French bank created in 2006 as part of the National Postal Service. It provides universal banking services across France, focusing on accessibility, social responsibility, and sustainable finance. First, download La Banque Postale application from Google Play Store or App Store or go to its website and click on Login. Then enter your identifiant and click Continue. Click on Transfer on top menu. On the Transfers page, you can select the bank account from which you are going to make the transfer and the bank account where you are going to send money. You have to choose an account type checking or savings. Next, you have to enter the routing number and account number of the bank account. Then choose the account where you are going to send money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click on Review Transfer. If everything looks okay, click on Submit this transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching.